Good morning, everybody. It is early in the morning here on a cloudy, but pleasant morning up in Agawam, Massachusetts. Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage. And I thought I'd take a minute to fill you in on what's going on, give you a little extra video on things as we're getting prepped and we're getting set up for stuff. Today's kind of a interesting and special day. If you've been following the Corvette sagas, you know that I had got on Marketplace and purchased a Vet for a fairly 1977 Corvette for a fairly insignificant price of about $2,800. Brought it home and went through it and discovered that it was way too good to use as a parts car, which is what we had intended to use it for because its frame was trashed. So we were able to get out there and to find a frame for it as well. And we had some plans of potentially doing a 2 Corvette project where we do my current one, Ghost, which is being taped now and starting to go up. And then potentially go ahead and do the Little Red Corvette. There's a video series, videos out there. It's called Little Red Corvette on the site here. You can take a look at that and you'll get some of the history of this. But I had put it up on Marketplace for a little while to see if there was a potential to sell it and do something different. And we had an individual come to us, a nice gentleman out of New Hampshire, who is a retired master mechanic, Chrysler master mechanic. And he had a 1961 Chrysler Imperial Lebaron. Fairly unique car, not a lot of those made. And he said that he was interested in doing a trade, that he wanted to do a sports car, a Corvette project. So we have gone ahead and we've agreed to that trade, and today is when the Imperial shows up and the Corvette goes away, or goes to its new home. So we're sitting here getting ready and prepping. Here's the Corvette sitting in the corner waiting for the trailer to come. The individual is picking it up, and it's running, and it's in decent shape. It's running a little rough, but it's okay. Not too bad. It'll get up on the trailer. It'll get there, and he'll have a nice fun time. Go ahead and restoring this baby to its original condition, which it was just way too good. I mean, it's fairly unmolested. It's got all the stuff that it's supposed to have. Nobody has gone in and modified anything too extensively, so it's in pretty good shape there. And we also got this frame for it, which he's going to take and go ahead and use the frame as well. So we're going to go ahead and get everything all set up, which we've kind of done here a little bit. We've gone and we've cleared the driveway out and made it so he can pull his trailer totally around. We've got the main transportation vehicle sitting over there on the yard, and we've got the driveway totally clear and open so that when that trailer comes, and I expect him about 8 a.m., which is in about 45 minutes to do that. So we'll go ahead and we'll set the camera up. We'll take a look at the Imperial on the trailer. Go ahead and we'll film the exchanges, and we'll go ahead and we'll post this for you, and you guys can get a look at what's going on there. So hang on tight. We'll be back in just a little bit when it gets here. And as always, we appreciate you watching the videos, and please do all that jazz for us if you would, so that we can have a nice strong channel. I appreciate it, and we'll be back in just a little bit. All right, so as you can see, the car is here. We're gonna go ahead and film getting that off and putting the Vet up on for the gentleman who's gonna purchase it. We'll go from there, so enjoy.
I guess it doesn't have park, it only has neutral and stuff.
Oh yeah, I can push button.
I can pull up if you want me to, if you're right up against the rocks.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, let me pick it up. I'll pull up for you. Right over my fender.
Just to give you an idea how low it is.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
And then the other thing is the frame, because you're going to try and get that lowered.
Yes. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna Most people probably wouldn't. Yeah, at all.
Do you want me to disconnect that battery now? I mean, I just want to take the ground lead off of it so we don't get a fire.
Yeah, if you think that's something that we can do.
Yeah, I'm going to do, I don't think it'll do that, but let's just be safe.
Yeah.
I hate to have you have a flaming torch doing that.
Yeah, that could be fun.
All right, so the Vette's all ready to rock and roll, go to its new owner. I'm gonna give you a little show here of her. She is up on the trailer, all ready to rock and roll, heading up to New Hampshire. Got the frame included with it, protected the Vette, and got it connected to the side. She's all ready to rock and roll. I think she'll do great. And if you're in the New Hampshire area, you look up Tom over here, because he is an absolute pro. I'm telling you, I'm watching him do this. Getting my new baby off and getting this one up for its new owner. So if you're in the New Hampshire area, you look up Tom and he'll take care of you. All right, guys, so ends the saga of the little red Corvette. We'll catch you the next time, and remember, do all that jazz for me. I appreciate it.